Welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to receive free and awesome videos from our channel, friends. And remember to hit the bell icon to receive more dressing videos from our channel. Hello, beautiful girls. Welcome back to Fashion Trends, and today in our video we are going to be seeing about beautiful half-shoulder lehenga designs, friends. So today I'm going to be talking about where can they be worn, what are the jewelry ideas, what are the hairstyle ideas, and what are the beautiful workings they include in half-shoulder lehenga. So without saying, let's go into a simple video, friends. But before we go, remember to like to our channel and also remember to like to our biggest friends. So friends, talking about working these half-shoulder lehenga can be worn. You can try wearing it for a beautiful wedding or even for a party. You can try wearing these for even wedding and for a reception or even for engagement. So friends, talking about what are the beautiful hairstyle designs, you can try going on with free hair bun hairstyle. You can try going on with beautiful curlings in your hair, which makes you look so beautiful and elegant, friends. So friends, talking about what are the beautiful jewelry ideas for your half-shoulder lehenga designs, you can try going on with beautiful and simple jewelry such as pearl jewelry and long jewelry sleeves. You can try going on with simple and elegant uncut diamond jewelry or even beautiful colored jewelry. You can try going on with gold jewelry too, like matte finish gold jewelry. You can try including beautiful workings on your half-shoulder, like you can try going on with net workings and beautiful mirror workings or other beautiful embroidery workings too. So, hope you guys have really enjoyed this video, guys. And if you didn't remember to like to our channel and also remember to like to our videos, friends. And remember to follow our channel Fashion Trends. So bye, friends.